I am Paridhi. So I visited Sir last year, maybe in December. So then after that, my marriage took place, and then I took a break and I did not come. After some time, when I visited again, so he told me the line of treatment that was required. Wisdom tooth was removed, and the other two teeth, there was some RCT required, and the regular scaling and the cleaning procedure was done very nicely, and I was very comfortable while the treatment as well. And he was very comfortable with all my schedule, and he was very adjusting with the dates as well, as I'm about to fly to Canada next week. So then he was very helpful for me, as he did all the treatment according to my time and my schedule as well.